James Crowley. And one of the biggest hassles when it comes to moving is packing and unpacking. The cardboard boxes and the packaging can be a real mess. But one homegrown business has come up with an innovative solution that I wish I had the multiple times that I've had to move. Here to tell us more about this from our friends at Crates.com are the co-founders Androff and James Crowley. Guys, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, thank you.
What inspired you to start this company?
So Andrew and myself both had backgrounds in the moving industry, and one of customers' major pain points is packing with cardboard boxes. They're just inconvenient, they cost a lot of money, and the stress adds up quick, so we wanted to alleviate that stress by offering reusable plastic moving boxes.
And even it starts like even before you even start packing. I mean, you think about how stressful it is. You go to these big box stores and you're looking in these long lines of boxes, and there's boxes for glassware, and there's boxes for clothing, there's boxes for pictures. Well, we came up with a way to using our knowledge of being in the moving industry and bundling packages together based on a 1-bedroom house, a 2-bedroom house. So we figure that out, so you don't need to think about how many boxes I need.
Well, you're going to be going back to the big box store like 10 times because
Exactly.
you ran out of tape, you ran out of paper. I've moved 4 times in the last 2.5 years. I told these guys before we started this segment. So show us how this works.
All right, so this is our newest product. They're glass and dishware partitions.
Okay.
And this is just a new feature we are unveiling today. So basically, they're slotted compartments that you can just drop your dishes into, and there's bubble wrap on the bottom. So, I mean, these are so sturdy that once you load them up and close them, they're good to go.
And we all know when you're moving and the boxes are on top of boxes upon top of boxes, something is going to get broken.
100%. They're so sturdy, but you actually, not only on top of that, but once you start packing them, you never have to lift a loaded box. See, they come with wheels. So we basically are able to roll them right inside the home.
Yeah, we're all excited. I'm sorry, everybody behind the cameras are nodding their head like, oh my gosh, this is so smart.
Yeah, thank you.
This is brilliant. So how do folks get the crates and then get them back to you? Because we talked about throwing boxes away. I had to literally hire people to come get rid of the cardboard boxes.
For sure.
So how does this work?
So basically, you go on our website, you go to Crates.com and order online. We have the pre-bundled packages, like we said, so all you do is select the size of your home, and we give you everything you need to pack and move with, and you select the date that you want these to be dropped off to you. We can deliver them within 24 hours, so we're all about convenience.
Oh, man.
And then we pick them up when you're done, so there's no mess, no cardboard left over.
Yeah,
so let's talk about the eco-friendly part of this.
Sure. Yeah, so the nice thing is once we pick them up, we bring them back to the office, we wash them, then they go to the next customer. So you think about someone who gets cardboard boxes and how the life cycle of a cardboard box. I mean, at best, if you are like a very careful person and you do your best to really watch the box, you might get 2 uses out of it. So what often happens is it gets stuck out with the local landfill, and to eliminate that, these plastic boxes are just perfect. We get about 400 uses per box.
That's amazing. So tell me about any specials you guys have going on.
So right now we're running a special for Live in the D viewers. We're offering 20% off all of our rental crates packages now through the end of May.
This is awesome. The only thing that I wish is that I wish I knew about you guys when I was moving. That's all I can say.
Well,
thank you guys so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
This is awesome. For more information on how all this works, all the services they offer, and to reserve your crates, visit their website, rentalcrates.com. And remember to use the discount code LIVEINTHED to receive 20% off any orders through the end of May. Again, gentlemen, thank you so much.
Thanks
This is great.
for having us.
Thank you. Kim, over to you.